recording here. So tell me,
Oh,
how do I look?
you look great. Fantastic.
And so how is it like? So you haven't seen me in a long time. How does it? How do you think I look? Have I changed?
No, not at all.
Oh, and you look exactly the same too. You look great.
Oh, dear. Well, thank you. But, I told you, I haven't been to the beauty parlor for 4 weeks.
Oh, but
And,
it looks great. I think it looks better than it did before.
oh, really?
Yeah, I love it.
Uh-oh. She's not going to like that at all.
Well, that's okay. We all have opinions. And so, how do you feel about making video calls? Do you like it? Is it a good thing?
Oh, yeah. Oh, David is fantastic. Like, it's just like a miracle. It's just, it's not as good as being, face to face, really, but it's by far the second best thing.
That's great. And how do you feel about it? So, it must have been very hard for you not having been able to see people for so long, and now you can. This must be great.
Well, yes. I could easily go crazy. If you don't see people for a very long time, you go crazy.
Right.
I mean, I'm a very boring person to talk to myself, and all of that. That's just not fun at all.
Yeah. So, do you think you'll be talking to your other friends and the rest of the family using this?
Oh, the family, yeah, that's the whole thing. Oh, yeah. And, well, probably friends too, yes. Yeah, because I can't, Well, I saw my friend today I went shopping with, but that's about it. And my neighbors, they see occasionally. But yes, this is tremendous, just tremendous.
That's great. And tell me, and you thought that Wade worked really well with you?
He was super. I have nothing but good things to say about him. Very patient. I can't imagine anybody else being as patient as he was.
Well, you told me that you thought that you could never learn how to do this.
Well, yeah, there are a lot of things that I can't do. A lot of things that I think are probably a lot maybe simpler than this, but I can't do. No, I just don't have a mind to wrap it around any of this stuff.
I don't think that's true. I think you just haven't been taught.
Well, I don't know. Maybe I do have hopes that I could get a little bit better because there are a lot of things that I would like to do. I can't do the what is it? No, tweet or Twitter, whatever it is.
Yeah, well, that's not probably something you want to do anyway. It's a waste of time.
You're right. That's it. Yeah.
But this is great. And
Yeah.
what did you think? Like when I showed you Maggie, how do you think she looked?
Oh, she looked great. Hadn't changed one single bit, and I really haven't seen her. I've seen you, on my computer, but I have not seen her in a long, long time. No, she looked great. Really, really good.
Yeah, she's doing really well.
Yeah. You're very lucky, David.
I chose very well.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
This is great, Mom. So we should, so I can call you really regularly on this, and then,
Okay.
and that'll be great. And then I can take the phone with me. Like today, I'm here in the condo, but I can take the phone with me, like out when I go on a hike or something, and I can call you, and then I can show you where I am.
Oh, wonderful. I would love that. That scenery.
Yeah.
I would, yeah, that would be wonderful. I would love it. Yeah.
It's so much better with the video, like with the phone, I can describe it, but I can actually take you with me and show you like where we are and what we're doing and all that.
I would love that. I would love that. Yeah.
Okay, this is really great. I'm really happy this has worked out.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
You bet. All right. Take care, Mom.
I will. I will. You too.
Okay. And I look
Love you
okay?
very much.
I look all right?
Super. Yes, you look super. Oh my gosh.
Just checking.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Never doubt, David.
Okay.
You're my very handsome son.
Oh,
Yes.
well. All the moms say that, but it's all right. Thank you.
No, I take that back because I can see it swelling by the minute.
It's larger by the moment, yes. Okay, and you
Okay.
can, you can call. I'm sure Jack and Dorothy. You can speak to them, right? Uncle Jack?
I could. Oh, I think I probably could do that. Sure.
Yeah, I'm sure they would love that.
Oh, it's limitless. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm just getting started.
exactly. You can call.
Yeah.
You just have to tell people like you have the Duo thing, and then they'll
Yeah.
figure out how to install it, and it's very simple, and you can like video chat with whoever you want. It's great.
It's fabulous, David. Fabulous.
Okay.
Beyond imagination.
Well, and it's good. I'm glad that the people at Get Set Up and Wade and that they made that happen. And I know you thought that you couldn't learn how to do this, but it's just you just need somebody to teach you how to do it. It's not, as you can see, it's not that hard. So.
It is easy. Everybody kept telling me, and I was feeling so stupid. They would say, "Oh, that's very easy." Well, maybe for you, I think, but no, it isn't hard.
No, it's not. It's very easy. Yeah, and we'll get some of the other stuff set up too, and you'll see once somebody shows you how to do it. It's a lot of this stuff. It's the first time might be a little awkward, but then you get the hang of it. It's like with this, it's not that hard. You can do it.
Nothing different than just picking up the phone and talking to someone,
Right.
a landline.
Right.
But this is so much better.
Yeah.
So much better.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. Great, Mom. All right. Thank you so much. I'll call you again soon.
Okay, great. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.